Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my very first Coach haul here on the channel. Yes, y'all, I got my very first Coach bag. I haven't had a Coach bag in over 15 years, so it's like brand new or whatever. So if you guys are interested and want to see what super cute bag I got for my birthday, then just keep watching. So quick little 2.0. If you didn't know, my birthday was actually January 31st. I did make a late birthday post on here, so thank you guys so much for, wishing me a happy birthday. I definitely appreciate it. I will be doing a what I got for my birthday, like in a different haul. I got a few things. It's not a lot, it's nothing too crazy. But I actually received 2 Coach bags for my birthday this year. One I actually requested, and then the other one my best friend bought me because she thought I would like it, and I did. I'm going to be doing 2 like unboxings, and technically they're not unboxing because I have already wore them this weekend, and if I can remember, I'll try to throw a picture in or a clip of me, put it in a bag so you can see how it fits on a smaller, more petite woman, because I am really short. So yeah. So first of all, let me just say this first bag that I'm going to be talking to you guys about actually did not come in this box, okay? This box actually came from my best friend, but she had to go to the store and actually get me a box. And had I known that, I would have went to the store and bought or requested them to give me a box, because we did purchase this bag online, and it literally came in like a little brown little baggies inside of a clear bag. So it didn't come with any type of cute packaging or a dust bag or anything. So I'm kind of bummed about that. I may call or go into the store and see if I can request a bag or something, but that definitely kind of bummed me. The name of this bag outside of it being a Tabby, right? I know it's a Tabby, but I don't know like the exact measurements. I do know that this is the smallest Tabby that they have, and I do know it is a collaboration. So it's actually a collaboration with Lil Nas X. And just so you guys know, I'm not a fan. I'm not to follow him or listen to his music per se or anything like that. But I thought the bag was absolutely adorable. And I had really been wanting something like this. So I was like, I'm going to go ahead and get it anyway. So I actually had my husband purchase this for my birthday. So thank you to my husband for purchasing me this bag. So like I said, it's already out of the paper, out of the wrapping, because I actually already wore this weekend. But yeah, so the bag looks just like this. How freaking adorable is this bag? Okay, don't get me wrong, it is tiny, y'all. Like, I knew it was gonna be a tiny bag, I knew it was gonna be a mini bag, but I wasn't prepared at how small this bag is. So let's show you some details. So first of all, it has a little Coach tags right here, and it says, "I love everyone, including you." And this says Lil Nas X Coach blah blah blah. It's actually really cute. It actually has 2 little Coach tags on here. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave these on here. I'm not taking them off, right? This is a removable strap. You can remove it, right? I like to leave it on here, but like I said, it is removable. And it actually also comes with a crossbody strap as well, which I also have already used, because like I said, I had this on this weekend. I love this color orange. I think it's so pretty. I think it's going to be perfect for spring and summer. And yes, you can still wear it just, I don't care that it's a little fur bag, but it is so freaking pretty. So this strap is adjustable. I do have it. Oh, I don't. On the shortest setting, but I do not. So this is perfect for, short girls. I am 4'11" ish. So I'm pretty tiny, but it can adjust super long as well. So if you are taller, I think this would be perfect for you as well. So I am gonna throw some like little clips of me trying it on. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, you can't really see it, but I'm gonna post some pictures of me with it on so you can see where it hits me and everything like that. But yeah, I love this bag. It's so pretty. It actually comes in 3 different colors and it comes in 2 different sizes if I'm not mistaken. So there is a bigger Tabby than this. This is like the mini. I think the other one is a small. This one retails for $250. It is sold on the actual Coach website as well as the Coach outlet website. Now, you don't get a special discount because it's a Coach outlet. You know, it's not a Coach outlet bag. It's just sold there. That's actually where I think I purchased mine, I think. And I did have a 10 or 15% off because it was my birthday month. So they give you like a 10 or 15% off. It is a little pricey for what it is. Like, honestly, it's super pricey for what it is. If it was up to me, I think I would have, you know, put this at like $150 or something like that. I think that would have been a good price point. But you know, like I said, they have actually 3 colors all together. So this is the orange one. They actually have like a pinky fuchsia looking one, and then they have a really pretty blue. But I am really a pink or orange or purple type of girl. So I was kind of like torn in between this one and the pink one. And then I decided to go ahead and get this. This weekend I wore it crossbody, and I actually left this strap on as well. So now I'm going to show you guys what I actually put in it this weekend when I wore it. So spoiler alert, I'm never the driver, so I won't ever have any keys on me. Okay, so I never have any keys, so I won't be putting any keys on here. Now if you are a driver and you need your keys, I don't know how this is gonna work, but I don't carry keys. Okay, rarely carry keys. Also, as far as my phone, I do not put my phone in my bag. I never do. No matter the size or whatever. If I do put it in there, it's very rare and in between, because I like to hold my phone in my hand or keep it in my pocket or something like that. I just don't love putting my phones in my purse. But just so you know, no phone is fitting in here. Okay, this is my old phone case. This is not fitting in here. Okay, so no phone is going to fit in here. Now, normally in my bags, and you know, I'm going to show you the bag that this is like my everyday bag. I think I did a video on this. If I do, I'll have a link below, but I love my Lululemon bags, right? And this was a like summer collab. I don't think they make this one anymore. I'll show you, it's normally in my bags. I always have my card case. This is my Louis Vuitton, you know, whatever it's called. Could this fit in here? Yes, but it is going to take up some room, right? So I was just like, you know, I'm not gonna put that in there. So what I did was I just took out my my ID or whatever. I took my ID out and I took like 2 other cards. I'll just pull out 2 random credit cards, right? So I got my ID, and then I have 2 of my credit cards, and I will put them in this back slot right here. It's like a little slip pocket, so I just went ahead and put them in there, and they fit in there with no problem. So I have 3 little cards, right? I always carry cash. Do I have cash? I have a little bit of cash. So I always carry cash, so I like to slide that in there as well, and you can put it sideways down in there. It'll fit. Okay, now on what I'm wearing when I go out, most of my lip products aren't full size. So like I wore this lipstick this weekend. This is a mini NARS Dragon Girl. I've had that, but so like what I have on today, I'll use this one. This is the Beauty Vault lip liner, so I will put this in here. I do have to leave it in here a little slanted because it's a pretty, you know, decent size lip liner. And then I will put like a lip gloss or whatever my lip is. So today it's just a liner and gloss, so I can put those both in there. Okay, cool. Right, and then obviously I'm wearing makeup because I am out. My these are Sephora, the blotting sheets, so I can pop those in there with no problem. I'll have my little mirror in here. This is just a Eau de Juice mirror. It came in like a perfume or something, so I can pop this in here. Okay, they're just fine. And then I will usually take my perfume with me, obviously a decant of some sort or a travel size. This is a decant I got from Amazon, and this is Coach Floral Blush, and you just turn it up. And this is scent. I mean, you can take it in here, it's fine, it won't leak, or you can put it in here. So I'm going to pop this in here, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, normally I would take some sort of hand sanitizer or something, but I don't know that this is going to fit in here. Yeah, it won't really fit in here. Now, you could use like a little hand sanitizer holder, like this one that I have on here. You can usually take one of those and pop it on the side of the bag if you want, but I don't really want to do that, and we have hand sanitizer in the car, and she's closed and everything fits perfectly. Okay, and like I said, this is not your everyday bag. This is, well, at least for me, this is not my everyday bag. Obviously my everyday bag, if I'm wearing a bag, it is this one. Right, this is my favorite mom bag. It has a bunch of crap in here, okay? But this is definitely my going out to lunch, to brunch, to dinner, to a bar, something like that. Something where I just don't need a lot of things with me. It's really, really cute. And it's not super, super heavy. I love this bag. I was a little hesitant when I first received it because of how tiny it is, but like I said, I was able to wear it this weekend, and the more I wore it, the more I absolutely love this bag, and I cannot wait to wear her in the summertime. I think she's going to be super, super cute for summer. Yes, even with a little fur. She's just adorable, honestly, and it is a really, really well-made bag. Like, I don't have any problems with this bag. It is adorable. So yeah, guys, that is it. That is everything that fits in my little baby Tabby. So actually, this is the bag that it came in with all its little things on it, and this is a bright mandarin. That's the name of this color. I'm actually going to see if I can show you guys what it looks like, but this is what it's called. I don't know if that's gonna focus. And like I said, it retailed for $250. So yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this little bag is not gonna be for everybody, but it absolutely is right up my alley, and I super, super love it. So stay tuned for my other Coach unboxing, because that is actually a Tabby as well, but it's made differently. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.